Long, long ago, there was a troublemaking monster named She. Hee, I like to make trouble. He ate Bunny's carrots. He kicked over Bear's honey pot. He knocked over Piglet's fruit cart. Every year, She came to make trouble. The animals hid in fear. One night, a golden light flashed. A great beast called Nian appeared. "Don't be afraid," said Nian. "I know what She fears." They put red paper on the doors. They lit bamboo. Bang! Bang! She saw the red light and heard the loud sounds. Too bright, too loud. The animals drove She away. From that night on, they used red paper and fireworks to welcome the new year. Did you put up red paper today? Like and follow.